Hello guys, in this video we will see how we will install Linux inside our VirtualBox machine. For that we will go to machine and click on new. Then we will assign a name on it. We will write it Mint because we are going to install Linux Mint 22 inside this. And then we select a folder. We are going to select a custom folder for this machine. I'm going for D, soft and then the VBox location. That's completely fine, and we will not select the ISO image for now, and we are going to change the version, Linux version. We will go for like Debian 64. Okay, it's way up here. Okay, it's selected, and type is Linux. Okay, that's good. Now we will provide two cores out of our like HCQ cores, and then base memory of around 4 gigabyte. Then click on next. We have a 20 gigabyte already allocated. We will allocate around 30 gigabyte. Okay, it's got 40. Let's change it 30. That's cool. Now we are going to use dynamic and everything. Okay, let it default and we'll click on finish. Now you can see we have already got our main Mint VirtualBox. Now let's start it. Okay, let's us powering up our created machine. We will wait for a few seconds. Okay. As you can see, it's starting now, and it's asking for the ISO DVD right here. Okay, now this time we will select our like ISO image that we have already downloaded. I have downloaded in my soft, and we have Linux Mint 22 Cinnamon. Okay, 64-bit version, and we'll click on open it, and we'll mount and try to reboot it. Right. Okay, it's mounted, and now it's starting. Okay, it will reboot. We'll try to reboot. It rebooted. We will not. We'll go with the Linux Mint start mode, and it will start the Linux Mint. Right. We're not going to change any setting up there. We will just let it start. So it's going to integrate basic things. We will wait for a few minutes to let it start the virtual means live environment, right? Okay. As you can see, we have started the Linux Mint Live environment inside a VirtualBox. Now we will just double click on install Linux Mint. If you want, you can use the live version directly, but I will just go so the steps to install like a real system inside the VirtualBox. So I double click on it and it's loading. We will wait for a few seconds so to it load. Okay, now the setup is started. You can see we have option to choose our language. We'll go with English. Right, as English is already selected, we'll just click on continue. And here this keyboard layout is also English US for me. You can just check out yours. Right, and click on continue and it's processing now. Okay, it's really slow as compared. Okay, we need to install the media codecs to play off some audio videos, right? We'll just check that and click on continue. It's preparing Ubuntu drivers. Okay, let it prepare. Okay, here we got the installation type. We will not go with the default installation. Instead, we will select something else option. Okay, let's select. Okay, here we selected something else and let's click on continue. And here we got our 30 gigabyte that we previously selected. Now we're going to create a new partition table for our 30 gigabyte. Now first let's try to mount this in the ext generaling system file system, which is the default, and mount point should be as root, right? Now click on continue and we try to process with this. Okay, it's processing partitioning our table. You can see we got free space, two free spaces, and our ext4 generating system, and we'll try to install it, right? Okay, here we got the error and the system partition found. This system is unlike successful, go back in. Okay, we need to define the EFI system partition. We forgot that, so for that we need to just reverse it, right? So we have our two free spaces. Okay, we cannot just use it, format it. First we need to delete this change. Can't okay, we cannot change the partition from here. Okay, okay, just need to delete it. Click on minus. Okay, it's got a free space again, and this time we will going to change the size about a gigabyte. Okay, let's do some minus thing. Okay, we are changing the size. You can just keep it a 500 MB and then 1 megabyte as per your wish. Okay, I think that's look good, and mount point should be again root, and then click on OK. Okay, here we got 962 megabyte free space. We click on this plus again, and we got mount point this time. Okay, it's not here. We have to use as, and we will go for like EFI system partition, right? Click on OK. Okay, it's now we got EFI partition now. Now we need to just click on install, and okay, here we got another information that I will not be able to. This we need to just add a reserved BIOS boot area for like less than 1 megabyte. Okay, so we need another partition with 1 megabyte approximately in size. Okay, we don't need to give much of size to this partition. Just click on go back. We need to delete this EFI thing. We will just partition it more. Just click on minus again, and here we have our free space. Now click on again. We change it to lower it about like 500 megabyte. Okay, it's way too low, way too high. Okay, you can just type it if you want, instead of just me doing plus and minus. Okay, 414, 20, 30, and 450 I think should be good. Okay, 450 is good. We'll go to again, sorry, not amount point. I will use as uh, kind of like EFI system partition here, and we'll click on OK. Okay, it's processing. Here we got the free space of 500 megabyte. Again, we will just reduce it to 1 megabyte. Okay, I don't want to give it too much of the area to be like BIOS area, so it's dependent on you how much area you want to give. I will just allocate 1 megabyte. Okay, it's processing again. Okay, here we got our BIOS grub. That's cool. Now we'll click on install. Okay, it's showing us the partition. Now we will be able to install everything. Now I will click on continue, and here it will ask for where are you. Just randomly popped up. I will continue with that, and here we got to enter information. So it's asking for computer's name and passwords. You can keep by yourself, but I'm writing mint, and computer name is, I will just type mint C. Mint's already taken. I will mint C. That's good. Username will be mint. Choose a password. I will just type mint again, and in the confirm password section I will also type mint again. Okay, that's cool. Now click on continue, and we'll wait for a few seconds. Okay, it's now copying files. It will take some time. Hope you wait or see the progress. It will take much time, and after this you will be able to ask for reboot, and after rebooting it should be installed perfectly. Installation has finished. We will click on restart now. Okay, yeah, I just clicked it. It will take some time to process. Okay, okay, it's just pumped up. It will do some processing. And it's processing again still. Okay, it's now asking me to remove the installation medium and press enter. I will just not remove any installation medium because we have already used ISO and we are inside the virtual machine, right? So we will just press enter only, and it will restart shortly after that. Okay, it's I press enter and it's now restarting. We will wait for a few seconds again to let it start. So it's now rebooted into the VirtualBox, and we have the screen again, login screen, and here we will type our password and click on enter. Okay, it's starting. Okay, it's taking for some time for the first time, I think. And we should be getting our desktop. Okay, we got our desktop. Here we have some of the welcome screen. Okay, we are computer operating system, first steps and documentation, help, contributions, and we have Linux Mint 32 and Cinnamon 64-bit. We don't want to show it every time on the startup. We just close it, and here we have our desktop. Now we will personalize it according to ourselves, based on you. We'll go to settings and check some of the things here. Here we have, okay, we have a bunch of settings that we can change. We have preferences, hardware, administrator. So we have our display settings here. You can see we have our display running at 1020. Where go to more settings. Okay, here you will change, be able to layout, change the layout. Now we have go to like power management. Okay, we will see we have a bunch of administration tools here. Okay, we have power management here, and we don't want to turn off the screen. We will just click on never. And on the battery, okay, we don't want to change the power once, or don't turn off the screen on the power. Okay, we'll have on the batteries. You can see we have 95%. That's good. Everything it's showing great. And we have more option you can change if here. That's up to you. And I think that's now okay. Another thing, we will also can change the panel setting from here. On the bottom of the panel, which is showing way too large. First of all, change the panel height. We don't want that much height. And we can change the icon also. Okay, icon size, we can, I will just go with like 10. Okay, 12. That's way too high. We'll just scroll back to 12. Okay, it's great, I think. We'll go to 21. Okay, 21. Customization is good, that you can keep it according to you. Now central zone, I will also change it to like 16 or something. 16 or something. Okay, we have set up 16. Now okay, we'll just go to change the center size. We'll also go for 16 pixels, and that's I think good, 16 pixels. And okay, we have changed the right zone also. We'll change it to 12 pixels. 12 okay, 6 points to the font size, and colored icon size to 16 pixels. That's good. Okay, we'll go for the left zone also. We'll change the font size to 6 pixels. Okay, that should show some effect, and I think it's looking good now. Just click on close, and here we have our Linux fully installed, fully installed inside the VirtualBox. Hope you like this video. Share and subscribe. Thank you very much.